Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see comparison of GoPro Hero 13 and Osmo Pocket 3. Which one is the best? You decide after watching this video. Which types of voice you are receiving, which types of video frame you are receiving. First of all, this is just a simple demo. I just simply on this one. I on GoPro as well. So now look at this here. The both frame comes here. This side is GoPro Hero 13 and this side is Osmo Pocket 3, and same video I am recorded here in my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So accordingly you should decide which one is good quality compared to such a light inside the house. Now same quality we are check going to the outside the house. How exactly you are receiving the frame? This is the perfect weather. This side is a sun, but still we are receiving such a amazing footage. You can decide which footage you like accordingly. So voice point of view, currently you are receiving Osmo Pocket 3 voice with the help of DJI Mic 2, and GoPro Hero 13 currently you are receiving GoPro Hero 13 voice without any mic, original sound clarity. So I go here and you decide which footage you like accordingly. One of the important points come here. Advantage of DJI Osmo 3 have face tracking system is available, GoPro don't have. So this is one of the, you can say, disadvantage, but as a price point of view Osmo Pocket is little expensive. This is the footage. Now we can change some of the location as well. So I change location from this side. So now I change the location as well here. From now sun is this side. Previously I record directly opposite side of the sun. So you are receiving such a footage. And one of the important point come here, both cameras come here 4K 60 frame per second. Here another some frames you are receiving, like here the proper road area. And if you change the location like this, so these are the frame. So you should compare as a traveling point of view as well. The big vehicle, the noise, and some another footage as well, like here. And now I am walking, so you can compare as a stabilization as well, GoPro and Osmo Pocket 3. So currently I am walking, so you should recognize or understand which types of frame. Now I am going like in dark on my shade, dark side during the day time. So you should think clarity of the cameras. So now currently I am here. So this one is also some of the footage I added in this video. This and the Osmo Pocket 3 have face tracking system, so you can walk like one side is 80 degrees Celsius and one side is 180 or 90 something. So some of the features and advantage available of course in Osmo Pocket 3, but as a GoPro is GoPro, the skin colors is more bright and accurate real to human skin, but here more whiteness you need to use as editing software Osmo Pocket 3. So these are some of the footages. I will add some other footage as well here, so you can do the best comparison. So yeah, this is my backyard, and you're receiving this clarity. Some of the important points come here. If you are looking to purchase as a traveling point of view, I personally recommend here which one is the best. Of course GoPro have unique features, and Osmo Pocket also have some unique features. But as my personal recommendation, if you are recording some traveling video, personal video inside house and outside house, so I can suggest here you should go DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Of course, GoPro is also good, but Osmo Pocket is better good compared to GoPro Hero 13. You decide which one you want buy. Apart from that, this is the genuine review. 3 different location, 3 different frames you are receiving. You should decide which one you like, accordingly you should purchase. If you really like this comparison, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.